Yes, hello to all my friends and family. There is a fire near my school.
In Mexico?
A fire near my school, Grandma. I'm recording. As you can tell, I believe someone was smoking a cigarette or something and it blew up. We don't know the details.
Okay, reporter.
Hey. But that is a lot of smoke for explosion.
If I can go by, how's it coming? Cars are going over there.
It's crazy.
We're turning on in Walmart.
To get around, I guess.
Yeah.
But look at all that smoke being leave over here. That's crazy. Mom's all, be careful. I'm like, okay. I'm like, when am I not careful? It's not like I'm near the gas station. As we can tell, we are coming up on the incident. I am not a reporter. I'm just someone who cares about the town. I wonder how it blew up.
You said somebody was smoking?
That's what I thought, because some kid just left it.
Here, right here, and
So that's what the gas station is at. The Arco. Arco, yeah. Arco blew up. That's a first. Yeah, this is the most exciting thing that's happened in the city.
sad.
Not in a good way, but like craziest thing that's ever happened. Well, it looks like all the smoke's coming up from right there. Where are you parking here?
What the man?
Where are you parking?
I'm gonna park right there, but
why are you parking? Good. God knows what happened.
let me go by.
It's a lot of smoke and gasoline. Yeah. Feels like a barbecue out here. Crazy. A lot of smoke for a small gas. Well, that is a lot of smoke for a small gas station.
I got the windows in the back open. No wonder the mouth.
Yeah. I've lived here half my whole life. Well, yeah, we all lived our whole lives. The craziest thing was a car crash that happened in front of us twice. And this.
I'm gonna go. Can't go over the bridge. I'm pretty sure they can let you go over the bridge. I'm gonna go this way.
Well, you could go that because that's where everybody else is going.
I'm gonna go that way.
Yeah.
They don't let you go this way. The guy's very blocking right there.
Yeah. All that smoke, man. Well, it's kind of fading out over there.
Yeah, going more to Merced.
Probably.
It had to be the gas station because.
I don't know if we're going to continue the ceremony, though. That's the thing.
Huh?
I don't know if we're going to continue the ceremony. And there's a school bus right there. Just go.
Nice shirt.
Yep. Let's go back to